Did you know that nearly 80% of adults have some form of gum disease? What if I told you that you can maintain your dental health right at home? In today's video, we'll explore simple yet effective DIY dental care tips that can help you keep your teeth and gums healthy without needing to visit the dentist. So, let's dive into it. Many people struggle to maintain their dental health due to a lack of access to professional care or knowledge about proper oral hygiene practices. You might think that regular checkups at the dentist are all you need, but that's not quite the case. If you're not equipped with the right techniques or habits at home, you could still be at risk of cavities, gum disease, and other dental issues. And let's be honest, who really wants to deal with dental pain or expensive treatments? It's way better to prevent these problems in the first place, right? Now, let's explore some essential practices that can make a huge difference. Don't worry, here's the solution. Do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth, after brushing your teeth, to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.